is how to change passcode on iPhone. So first of all, open up Settings app. Then you should scroll down and find option Face ID and Passcode. Then proceed to it. Next step, you should enter your current passcode. Alright. Once we here, you will see different options. You just scroll down and then proceed to change passcode over here. Then tap on it. And now we should start security delay. It's mean in new iPhones, after 1 hour delay, you can change your current passcode. You just tap on Start Secure Delay. When you all this 1 hour, passed, you just go again to this specific settings and enter your current passcode and enter your new password, and it will change your password on iPhone.